In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to flatten Boolean groups in Figma. Flattening is a quick way to convert a Boolean group, like a union, subtract, intersect, or exclude, into a single vector layer. This is helpful when you're done tweaking how shapes combine and you want one clean, lightweight path that's easier to manage, style, and export. Just keep in mind, flattening removes the editable Boolean structure, so think of it as finalizing the shape. Let's start with the fastest method. First, select the Boolean group, either directly on the canvas or by clicking it in the Layers panel. You'll know it's a Boolean group if it shows as union, subtract, intersect, or exclude in the layer name. With it selected, use the keyboard shortcut. On Windows, press Ctrl+E. On Mac, press Command+E. The change is instant. Your Boolean group becomes a single vector shape. You'll see the layer name update to vector, and the Boolean icon is replaced by a vector path icon, confirming it's now a merged shape. If you prefer using the mouse, there's a simple right-click method. Again, select the Boolean group on the canvas or in the Layers panel. Right-click the selection, then choose Flatten. Figma will immediately merge the shapes into one vector layer, just like the shortcut does. Both methods produce the same result, so use whichever feels most natural in your workflow. Now, here's what happens behind the scenes after flattening. Before flattening, your layer structure shows a Boolean group that contains the individual shapes, think shape 1, shape 2, shape 3, all combined through a Boolean operation. After flattening, those separate items are merged into a single vector shape. You no longer have independent shapes inside. Instead, you have one continuous editable path. That means you can still refine the result using vector points. You can adjust nodes, tweak curves, fine-tune corners, and apply fills, strokes, and effects, but you're editing one path rather than multiple combined shapes. It's a great way to lock in a final silhouette while keeping the flexibility to nudge points for precision. One important note: after flattening, the original shapes can't be separated again. If you change your mind, use undo right away to restore the Boolean structure. Otherwise, consider keeping your editing flow non-destructive until you're confident the shape is final. That's all there is to it. Use the shortcut when you want speed, or right-click for a visual approach, and enjoy a cleaner, single-vector result.